Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically what we got here is that market cleared a very important pivot level at 1.0095, and that opened the door for higher prices, and seems like the market is going towards this very important pivot area at 1.0360, 350 mark. And there is literally like 90 to 100 pips potential also for the further rally to achieve and to reach this very important pivot area from the August this year and from June and May. May lows, so we cleared the major resistances, and I don't see any bigger resistance until 1.0360, 350 mark. Market is looking pretty constructive to the upside. It is in an extreme condition on the short-term perspective. We are trading above upper Keltners on a 2-hour and a 4-hour time frame, but on the higher degrees, it's still not, like daily and weekly are still just having the fresh push higher. So there's still plenty of potential here, and my advice to watch for intraday pullbacks, something like we got here on the 15, this bull flags, or ABCs on the 15, 5-minute or 30-minute time frame, and watch potential upside objective at 1.0360. If we speak about gold market, as I alerted also at my previous forecasts, once we clear this multi-week consolidation, and especially once we clear this 1675, and then after we clear this 1730 mark, this really metals are pretty hot in that sense. They're holding very well, and this week is basically the breakout week, and we started the breakout actually on last Friday, and there is a very strong upside continuation this week. I don't see any kind of reversal or sign of the reversal at all. Market still building higher lows, and this is overall a positive structure, despite the fact that short term, like a 2-hour, 4-hour time frame, and holding trading above the upper Keltner. The daily and the weekly are just starting to break this upper Keltner. So still plenty of the potential. The next area to think, very important area, is 1,800 mark. So watch for the buying opportunities. We got this most recent range breakout that is going right now, and watch for buying opportunities on intraday dips. If we speak about the crude oil, this market actually had divergences on we can see on the 30-minute time frame, and if I switch here on hourly, you can also see on the hourly we had the divergences there. And then there was a impulsive move to the upside and started to build higher lows, and that was a very good sign for the potential rally back. The daily time frame, we can see the important area of resistance is 92.20 mark and 93.50 mark. So far market just building higher lows. It's an intraday extreme, but watch for intraday dips and pullbacks for the further rally on this market. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, as we alerted yesterday, probably market will need to do some correction. There was an update yesterday after 2 down days. Market reacted up, but we can see that market now is rejected the declining middle Keltner line on the 4-hour, and it started to range here. So we can see what the market will. It's still in the previous day area, previous day range. We have this key pivot at 16,850 mark, and the market can break lower. It can eventually open the door for retest at the previous day low at 15,700. For now, I don't see anything meaningful here, just a ranging, just trading around this middle Keltner line on the 4-hour time frame. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you. Also have a good weekend, and speak to you next week from Monday.